Ralph here once again. What we have is a switch case statement, which I'll explain in 60 seconds or less. What we have here basically is a dictionary. In these dictionaries, or dictionary, is invoking a function. And these functions can do a multitude of things, from importing other packages to actually upgrading package itself. Let us begin, and the first thing you do is you notice the key is actually invoking the function. Whoops, let's get that thing going there. All right, now let's try it again. Boom, we're in the dictionary. All right, now we are going to iterate through a list. As you go in no particular order there. Now we are going to chain the list through importing itertools. And now we are going to upgrade our package program. And if you notice right there, it should be upgrading it soon. But what you're noticing, you're using a key, and that key is invoking the function, and it is amazing. Ralph signing off. I'll have this all posted for you online, and I'll catch you all in a little bit. Bye.